Hello friends, welcome to JavaScript learning series. In this video we are going to learn about variable hosting and the function hosting and how this variable hosting and function hosting concept will be used by JavaScript. So let's get started. So a lot of developers get unexpected result when they are not clear with the concept of hosting in JavaScript. In JavaScript, you can call a function before it is defined and you won't get an error uncalled reference error. The reason behind this is hosting, where the JavaScript interpreter always move the variable and functions declaration to the top current scope before the code execution. So let's understand this with example. So let me write a function add number 1 and number 2, and which is going to return num1 plus num2. Now I am going to use this function before defining this or before declaring this function. And number 3 and 4. Now as we have used this function before it is defined, so in any other language it should give the error, but in JavaScript it is not going to give the error. Let's run the code and see the output. If you can see, we received the value 7. So the reason behind this is whenever we run the execute the JavaScript code, JavaScript interpreter, as I told earlier, it will move all the functions declarations and the functions and the variable declaration to the top of the code, and then it will start executing the remaining code. So because of this it is not going to give the error, and this concept is known as a hosting. Now let's try with some variable hosting. Let me do like this, equal to hello world, and then I am defining variable a, and let me console.log a. Let's see the output. So if you can see, I have declared variable here. Before that I am using that variable, even I am doing console of that particular variable, still I will get the output without expecting any error. So this is this process is basically known as a variable hosting, where all the functions and variable declaration will be moved top of the code by the JavaScript interpreter. I hope the hosting concept is clear now, and it will help you guys in future. So yep, see you guys on the next video with some of the other JavaScript topic. Till then, happy programming.